Good morning. Thank you for calling Tahanan Bistro. This is Diana speaking. How may I help you? Yes, of course, ma'am. May I have your name, please? Okay, Miss Jane. Would you mind if I spell it out to make sure I got your name correct? Thank you, ma'am. So it's Jane for Juliet, Alpha, November, Echo, and Cruz for Charlie, Romeo, Uniform, and Zulu. Am I correct, ma'am? Okay, Miss Jane. May I know when would you like to book your table and what is your preferred time? May I also ask what is your preferred area and table for how many? May I ask if this reservation will be under your name, Miss Jane? Okay then, please allow me to put your call on hold while I check the availability. I'm sorry to keep you waiting, Miss Jane. I'm glad to tell you that we still have an available table at your preferred time. May I have your contact number for the confirmation of your reservation? Would you like to place your order now or later upon dining? Thank you, Miss Jane. Do you have any special request to make? Alright, let me just repeat your table reservation details, Miss Jane. A table for 8 on the window side of the restaurant on the 20th of April at 2 o'clock in the afternoon under the name of Miss Jane Cruz, and your contact number is 0928-9067-377. Is all of the information correct? By the way, Miss Jane, we'd like to notify you that if our guests are unable to arrive on their scheduled date and time, the table will be offered on the other guest who would prefer to eat with us. Whenever you need to update anything about your reservation, please feel free to contact us. Great! Thank you very much for choosing Tahanan Bistro, Miss Jane. We look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day ahead! Good morning, Miss Jane. This is Diana from Tahanan Bistro speaking. I would like to reconfirm your reservation for a table of 8 this afternoon at 2 o'clock p.m. Thank you very much for making the reservation, and we look forward to being a service of you and to your colleagues this afternoon.